All right, guys, welcome to part 2 of Miss Bryan trying to do YouTube videos. Next up, we're going to explain how we know triangle ABC and DEF are similar. So taking a look at the side lengths that are given to us, since we don't know anything about the angles, the only way that we could possibly know these two triangles are similar would be through SSS, but we have to make sure that the ratios check out. So I'm going to start with the small side to the small side. So 4 to 6 would need to equal medium side, use squares to medium side, 5 over 7.5, and underlines, large side over large side, 8 over 12. So if you're not good with reducing fractions, I would just say pop those into a calculator and you're going to get decimal answers instead, but that's okay. 4 divided by 6 is 2/3 or 0.6 repeating for those of you who like decimals. 5 divided by 7.5, same exact thing. And 8 divided by 12 is again the same thing. So if I were to write a perfect explanation, I would say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS similarity theorem. And if those two triangles are similar, we know that similar shapes also have corresponding angles that are congruent. So angle D here is between the small side and the large side. So that means angle D, I'm going to put letter A next to that. Angle D is congruent to angle A. Bam. Easy peasy. All right, next up, find the length of EF. Whoa. So first of all, what do we know about these shapes? We know that they have a 60-degree angle in common. We also know that the scale factor appears to be 2. And the only thing that told me that was the 7.5 to 15 off the top of my head. I could tell that that is a doubled, a scale factor of 2. So if the other side lengths check out, then we're good to go. We can say that these triangles are similar by SAS. We couldn't use SSS here because although we know 3 side lengths on this small triangle, we only know 2 over here. So, not necessarily super clear. Okay, so we have a side that appears to be proportional, and then the 12.7 also has a scale factor of 2 if you use the 25.4. So that gets doubled, and then, would you look at that, the angle between them is congruent. So these two are similar by SAS congruency. And moreover, we can tell that the scale factor from ABC to DEF is 2. So then I know that EF, this missing side here, is going to be twice as big as BC. 11.1 times 2, 22.2. All right, I also know angle E is going to be congruent to angle C because they are similar, so their corresponding angles are congruent. And I know that angle F is going to be congruent to angle B. They're both going to be 84 degrees. Same reasoning. Hope that makes sense, guys.